Most people get this wrong. They think Payday Patriot is just another payday loan app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it has evolved into a flexible financial tool, offering early wage access, short-term installment options, and spending insights to help users manage their money smarter. Here's how it works. Payday Patriot allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before your official payday, often within hours. This can cover urgent bills, unexpected expenses, or emergencies without relying on high-interest credit cards. The app also lets certain purchases be split into smaller payments, which helps users avoid large one-time charges and manage their monthly budgets. The app interface is clean and intuitive. You can track advances, view repayment schedules, and monitor spending trends. Push notifications remind you about upcoming payments, helping you avoid late fees and maintain financial control. The downside, overusing Payday Patriot can become expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments can result in fees, so it's best treated as a short-term solution rather than a long-term financial strategy. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or installments you can realistically repay. 2. Keep notifications enabled to stay on top of payment dates. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on the app. Who benefits most? Users with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may find fees outweigh the convenience. In conclusion, Payday Patriot in 2026 is practical and flexible, but only if used responsibly. Track your spending, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a temporary aid. Subscribe for honest app reviews and tips to help you stay in control of your finances.